Hey everyone, Steve here from theturtlefollower.com. Hope everyone enjoyed their weekend. Finally getting some good weather here in New Jersey, so I hope you guys are also getting the same wherever you may be. But ultimately, we're looking at potentially a reversal off of the lows from Friday. Today kind of gave us a little bit of an indication of that, but with that said, we're also looking at taking new trades, even if they're, even if the market's in a little bit of a undecided point. So members have been long Rockwell Collins for a while now, really since this breakout here on earnings back here in the end of January. So we entered that trade here at 87.82. So we're locking in some nice profits along the way. Now, with moving forward, we're looking at this as a potential for a momentum trade. All right, and when we talk about a momentum trade, we talk about the 8-day and 21-day exponential moving average, meaning it puts more weight on the last 8 days. Or let's start over. Simple moving average is a consistent average of the last 8 days. So if you're using an 8-day moving average, it's the last 8 days, 50-day moving average, 50 days, so on and so forth. An exponential moving average, on the other hand, puts more weight on the most recent days. I don't know the exact calculation, but essentially, for 8 days, the last, say, 3 days are weighted differently, so on and so forth. So for us, we're using the 8 and the 21-day exponential moving average. The 8 is the dashed line. The 21-day is the solid line here. And members, again, have been long the stock since we broke out, all right, using our longer-term charts for the members only section. Now, the stock has had a nice little run up. You could see it was supported by the 8-day, had a little pullback, and now is breaking out higher again. So here is exactly what we're looking at. Okay, if you wanted to draw a trend line, okay, you can connect some points along the way. All right, and you can also see this small pullback and now breakout. All right, look at the last 2 days. All right, love this. Love the higher volume that's come into the stock. All right, last 2 days, higher volume. All right, excellent to see that moving forward. All right, and today's a nice big candle, up 2.28%, closed near the top of the range. So here's the trade. The trade basically is to take this tomorrow at the open, set your stop right here below 88.75, call it. All right, and you're risking from, assuming it opens pretty much where it closes, that's your risk. All right, 93.20 to 88.75. All right, so you're risking just about $4.50 on the trade. Size your position accordingly. Again, the volume that has come into the stock the last 2 days is very nice. All right, you could see the increase in volume that we've had in the past. All right, has been sometimes a catapult for a move higher. So again, we're looking for the 21-day and the 8-day to continue higher. All right, when they start to cross, that's a bad sign. All right, that means that momentum is kind of falling out of favor in this stock. And the first sign of trouble, though, is going to be that you're going to see some closes below the 8-day, and then you're going to start to see some closing below the 21-day. Until you see that, you can pretty much stay long the stock until you want to either take an exit or hit a profit target that you're looking at. I don't trade that way, but if you do, more power to you. Again, we just really trail stops here, but that's your setup in Rockwell Collins, symbol COL. Members, head on over to tonight's strategy session. We're going to discuss, the watch list stocks for this week, and we're also going to take a look at our portfolio. Portfolio is pretty much back at new highs. I think we're within 0.5% of those highs. So I want to just go over some positions and see what's getting us there. All right, have a great rest of the night, everyone. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow.